next thing I'm going to talk about is the rollback. Imagine I have done a deployment, okay, and some issue happened. I want to immediately go back to the previous version. So in our scenario, previously it was 1.21, now it is 1.20. So if I want to go back to the previous version, the command is kubectl rollout undo deploy / nginx deployment. So you can see it's showing rolled back. So you see the rollout status, it will come up. So it will take me back to the previous version 1.21. So this is the command. You can use it to go back to the previous version. kubectl rollout undo the deployment name.